If you are wondering where you can find your guides and rulers, when you have a design open inside Canva, if you go up to File and scroll down to Settings, it's this first one here, Show Guides and Rulers. And now you'll see there's now the ruler bar along the top and down the side. And all you need to now do is drag the ruler down, and it will try and line up with elements on your page. One in from the side to have guides on your page to help align items and text and elements. Going back into settings again, you can also lock the guides and you can clear the guides as well. You'd also go back into File and Settings to show margins. And this is where you don't want to go too close to the edges of a design. So you can see there is a faint line here, which is showing the margin. And then when you have the margins visible, what happens is anytime the text box or an element hits the margin, it shows up red, which is indicating that not to get too close to the edges, to keep your designs within that margin, to keep a nice bit of white space surrounding the edges of your graphic.